Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the soothing world of crystals and how they can help us achieve stress relief and a deeper sense of peace in our lives. Crystals have been revered across cultures for centuries, and their unique energies can have a profound impact on our well-being. Before we get started, I'd love to share a personal story. Years ago, I found myself overwhelmed with stress from work and life obligations. It wasn't until a friend gifted me an amethyst stone that I truly began to see a shift. Holding it during those anxious moments helped me find a sense of calm that I had been missing. Now, I can't wait to share how you can experience this too. Let's explore 10 powerful crystals that can help you create a sanctuary of calm. Amethyst. First up is amethyst. This beautiful purple crystal is known for its calming energy and ability to promote tranquility. I often keep an amethyst by my bedside to help me sleep easier. Rose quartz. Next, we have rose quartz, the stone of love and compassion. It promotes emotional healing and nurtures the heart. Share a story. A few months ago, I held rose quartz during a tough conversation to help me express my feelings more gently. Clear quartz. Then there's clear quartz. Often referred to as the master healer, it amplifies energy and promotes mental clarity, clearing away clutter that can lead to stress. Let's take a moment. If you have one, hold it now and visualize clarity washing over you. Lepidolite. This lilac stone is rich in lithium, which is known for its calming properties. I recently used lepidolite during a meditation session, and it helped ease my anxiety significantly. Black tourmaline. Black tourmaline is a powerful protectant against negative energy. Keep it with you during stressful situations to feel more grounded. I've carried it during hectic meetings, and it truly makes a difference. Selenite. Selenite is a high-vibration crystal that can clear energy blockages and enhance spiritual connection. Place it in your workspace to invite peace and productivity. Blue lace agate. This gentle blue stone encourages peaceful communication. I love using it when I feel nervous about speaking or presenting, as it calms my nerves. Howlite. Howlite is fantastic for promoting calm and reducing anxiety, perfect for bedtime. I place a piece under my pillow to encourage restful sleeping. Fluorite. Fluorite enhances mental clarity and focus. If you're feeling overwhelmed with tasks, you might want to keep some on your desk. Smoky quartz. Finally, we have smoky quartz, which is excellent for grounding and releasing negative energy. I find it particularly helpful during meditation to stay focused and calm. Now that you know about these amazing crystals, let's discuss how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. Meditation and mindfulness. Using crystals during meditation can enhance your focus. Let's take a moment to do a quick visualization. Hold your chosen crystal, close your eyes, and take deep breaths. Imagine its energy enveloping you, bringing you peace. Crystal grids. You might also enjoy creating a crystal grid. Arranging these stones in a sacred geometric pattern amplifies their energies for your intentions. Here's a simple grid you can try. Carrying crystals. Carry your favorite crystals in your pocket or wear them as jewelry. This way, you have their calming energies with you all day long. To make the most of your crystal experience, here are some practical tips. Cleanse and program crystals. It's essential to regularly cleanse your crystals to remove negative energy. You can use water, sound, or sage. Make it a ritual to program them with your intention for stress relief. Intention setting. Take a few moments to set a clear intention by focusing on peace and well-being. Picture what that looks like for you. Trust your intuition. Your intuition is your best guide. Choose crystals that resonate with you personally. Your body knows what it needs. Let's quickly address some common questions. How do I know if a crystal is right for me? Trust your feelings. If you feel drawn to a crystal, that's a sign it's meant for you. Can I use multiple crystals at once? Absolutely. You can combine the energies of different stones to enhance your intentions. Incorporating crystals into your daily life can significantly enhance your journey towards stress relief and personal peace. I encourage you all to give it a try. I'd love to hear your experiences. Pick one of the crystals we discussed today and set an intention for the week ahead. Share your journey. For more crystal tips and healing insights, don't forget to subscribe. Remember, peace is just a crystal away. Until next time, stay calm and center your energy.